Cholesterol is something that most adults had. Cholesterol affects approximately 39% of adults globally. Too much cholesterol can block your blood vessels and causes stroke or heart disease. And more younger generation are linked to high cholesterol. Many researchers had proven that food can help to combat cholesterol. There are this particular green fruit that people always mistaken for vegetable, which is the #1 cholesterol destroyer. Today, we're talking about this little green powerhouse. It's an absolute game changer when it comes to fighting cholesterol. Stick around to find out why. Let's reveal the fruit. It's avocado. First things first. Did you know that avocados are often mistaken for vegetables because of their savory flavor? But technically, they're a fruit, specifically a berry. Now, let's dive into how this delicious green fruit can help you lower cholesterol and improve your heart health. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, often called good fats. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels, or LDL, while boosting good cholesterol, also known as HDL. This balance is crucial for keeping your arteries clear and your heart healthy. Not only are avocados nutritious, but they're also incredibly versatile. You can spread them on toast, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or even eat them straight out of the skin with a little sprinkle of salt. Quick tip: pairing avocado with other nutrient-rich foods enhances your body's ability to absorb vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Here's how it works. LDL cholesterol is like the bad guy that clogs your arteries, while HDL acts like a cleaner, sweeping away the bad stuff. Studies show that regularly eating avocados can reduce LDL levels by up to 22% and increase HDL levels by 11%. That's some serious cholesterol-killing power. When shopping for avocados, choose ones that are ripe but not overripe. Pro tip: if they're too hard, let them ripen on your counter or speed up the process by placing them in a paper bag with a banana. Adding just half an avocado a day to your diet can make a huge difference. Plus, they're loaded with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. Talk about a superfruit. So the next time you're at the store, grab a few avocados and start reaping the benefits. Your heart will thank you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.